Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest in creative goods. Today, we've got something truly special for you: the ArtCreativity Star Sand Art Bottle Necklaces. If you're looking to spark creativity and fun, these are hands down the best sand art necklaces on the market. Imagine this: a pack of 12 star-shaped sand art bottles that not only fuel hours of creativity but also make for fantastic party favors and craft activities. These necklaces are designed with kids in mind, crafted from durable, lightweight plastic with screw-on caps. They're clear, so you can see the vibrant colors of the sand inside, making them as visually appealing as they are fun to create. Let's dive into what makes these necklaces a must-have. Each pack comes with everything you need to get started, except for the colored sand itself, which you can easily get separately. These bottles aren't just party favors. They're tools to unlock creativity, improve social skills, and encourage imaginative thinking in children. Craft parties, birthday celebrations, or just a rainy day indoors, these necklaces are perfect for any occasion where creativity meets fun. They make excellent goodie bag fillers and classroom rewards, not to mention adorable incentives for good behavior. Plus, with their sturdy build, they're built to last through all the artistic adventures your kids embark on. So, if you're ready to add a splash of creativity to your next gathering or looking for a delightful gift that keeps on giving, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the ArtCreativity Star Sand Art Bottle Necklaces. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and creative inspirations. Until next time, keep creating. This script is crafted to highlight the product's features and benefits without referencing customer reviews, as requested. It emphasizes the product's appeal and versatility for viewers interested in creative arts and crafts activities.